Hello everyone, welcome to the Crack You video series. Hope you are doing well with your preparations. Today we are here to discuss international GK questions for TISSNET and CMAT 2022. Please do visit our website crackyou.in and you can download the previous year paper there. It would be helpful for your exam. We have launched the CMAT crash course from 1st Feb. So the course included detailed day-wise schedule and covering all the important topics, and it is available at, this is CMAT crash course. It's ₹1,999. You can enroll for CMAT mocks as well, that is ₹299. Along with that, we are providing TISSNET mocks as well, ₹299. Link is given in description, so please do visit and enroll for these packages for your better practice. Let's start with the first question. Who amongst the following is not associated with Egypt? The correct answer is Muhammad al-Maghrieff. So Muhammad al-Maghrieff is a Libyan politician who served as the president of the Journal National Congress from its first meeting in August 2012 until his resignation. He resigned in May 2013. In this role, he was effectively Libya's de facto head of state until his resignation. Let's check the next question. In the Tapi gas pipeline, the word Tapi refers to which of the following? The correct answer is D, that is Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan and India. So the Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India pipeline, that is Tapi, also known as Trans-Afghanistan pipeline, is a natural gas pipeline being developed by the Glycans. So the Tapi Pipeline Company Limited, with participation of the Asian Development Bank, so the pipeline will transport natural gas from the Glycans gas field in Turkmenistan through Afghanistan into Pakistan and then to India. Let's check the next question. Match the countries with trade agreements, regional blocks. The correct answer is D. So the first country is Brazil. The correct answer is Mercosur. Then the second is Indonesia. The correct answer is ASEAN. Third is Bangladesh. The correct answer is APTA. The fourth one is Mexico. The correct answer is NAFTA. APTA is Asia Pacific Trade Agreement. So, and the members are Bangladesh, China, India, Mongolia, South Korea, Laos and Sri Lanka. These are the members of this APTA. Then ASEAN. ASEAN is Association of Southeast Asian nations. And the members are Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Philippines, Indonesia, Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia and Myanmar. Mercosur is an economic and political bloc comprising Argentina, Brazil, etc. And the fourth one is NAFTA, that is The members are Mexico, Canada and USA. Let's check the next question. Which of the following Indian origin academician became the Dean of the Harvard College with the effect from July 2014? The correct answer is B. Rakesh Khurana. So Rakesh Khurana is an American educator. He is a professor of sociology in the Harvard Faculty of Arts and Science, professor of leadership development at the Harvard Business School, co-faculty, dean of Cabot House and dean of Harvard College. Let's check the next question. Match the country with the leader. So the correct answer is D. Okay, the country is Japan. The leader is Shinzo Abe. Then the country is China. The leader is Xi Jinping. Then the country is North Korea and the correct answer is, the leader is Kim Jong-un. And the fourth one, Philippines. So here the name is Benzingo Aquina, but he is the ex-president, ex-leader you can say. So the present leader of Philippines is Rodrigo Duterte. Let's check the next question. Which of the following is not headquartered in China? The correct answer is D. Jebong. Jebong headquarters is in Gurugram, Haryana, India. Okay. Let's check the next question. Which of the following country is not a member of Nuclear Suppliers Group? The correct answer is Albania. Let's check the next question. Which of the treaty was signed amongst the European nation for entering into the monetary union? So the correct answer is C. Maastricht Treaty. So the Maastricht Treaty was approved by head of government of the states making up the European Community in December 1991. Let's check the next question. Which is the correct stock index country match? The correct answer is B. That is stock index Hang Seng. The country name is Hong Kong. Hang Seng is Hong Kong. Then Nasdaq, the correct country is United States. Then FTSE, it is United Kingdom. And then COSPI, it is South Korea. Let's check the next question. The co-founder of Google are, the correct answer is C. Sergey Brin and Larry Page. Let's check the next question. Match the old name to the new name of the countries. The correct answer is B. That is Southwest Africa. The new name is Namibia. Then second one is Rhodesia. The correct answer is Zimbabwe. Okay, then Northern Rhodesia. The correct answer is second one, that is Zambia. And Abyssinia. The last one, Abyssinia. The correct answer is the first one, that is Ethiopia. Let's check the next question. The constitution of which country has influenced the inclusion of the emergency power in the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is A. Germany. Let's check the next question. Match the leader's name in column 1 to the party headed by them in column 2. So, the correct answer is C. That is, column 1 is a leader's name and the column 2 is party names. So the correct answer is C. That is the first one, Hosni Mubarak. The correct answer is National Democratic Party. Okay, then Aung San Suu Kyi. The correct answer is National League for Democracy. And the third one, Francis Hollande. The correct answer is B, that is Socialist Party. Let's check the next question. Which of the following was the last monarch of Sri Lanka? The correct answer is C, Vikram Rajasinghe. Let's check the next question. When was the World Health Organization established? The correct answer is C, 1948. Let's check the next question. Copenhagen is the capital of which of the following countries? The correct answer is C, Denmark. Let's check the next question. Which of the following is the world's first stock exchange? The correct answer is D, the Amsterdam Exchange. Let's check the next question. People's Assembly is the name of parliament of which country? The correct answer is C, Egypt. Let's check the next question. Who among the following won the Nobel Prize for Peace in 2021? The correct answer is E, Maria Ressa. Let's check the next question. Which of the following countries is not part of South America? The correct answer is C, Cuba. Hope the video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.